Hello, so today we are doing shapes. What do we know about shapes? Shapes are all around us. They are things that we see on a daily basis, and they can either be man-made or natural. I mean, take a look at the stapler. We can see that it has 4 sides, and we can see that it is a rectangle. Look at my coffee cup. Here we can see this is a circle. Then we can see that behind me I have another rectangle. We have an oval face. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to see how can we create shapes using a single piece of paper. Oh my goodness, look, this is already a rectangle. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to easily make different kinds of shapes using a normal A4 piece of paper, any color. I've chosen to do white, and a pair of scissors. Now, I've got a few examples here. So look at this example. What shape is this? It is a triangle, and we can see that it fits inside. I've got a circle. We can see this is 2 circles, and if we fold it in half it makes 1 circle, and we can see, there we go. Then we have another example. This is a square, and you can see the square fits inside. And the last example I have to show you is a rectangle, and we can see the rectangle fits inside. Now, how are we going to create them? I just want to tell you that please be safe while using scissors, and if you need help, ask a parent or teacher. Now, what we're going to do with this piece of paper is we're going to fold it in half. So, make sure to fold it correctly so that we can do this very nicely. Now, what shape should we start with? Let's start with a fun shape. We're going to start with a heart. So we take our scissors nicely and safely, and we start cutting. So remember to move your paper as you go, and you just cut as if you're making a heart. Ta-da! There's your heart. And there's your cutout. So let's try another one. Let's try a square. Now, something to remember with the square is that a square has 4 sides, but so does a rectangle. Now, what can we see? We can see that this is a small one, so it is a square because it is small. But with a rectangle, it also has 4 sides, so you just see the length. You can see how long it stretches out, and that means it is a rectangle. So we want to make a square. We are going to cut it short and sweet. We're going to cut it nice and small. And we can see that we have made a square. And you can see in our paper that we have a square. Now, you can do this with any shape you want. But as I said earlier, just be careful and just remember to cut your paper nicely in half. Fold your paper nicely in half. So let's make a triangle. Now, you can watch me. I'm going to cut it first like this to make the bottom side of my triangle. I'm going to make a nice big one so we can all see nicely. And then I remember the shape of a triangle. It goes like this, and then it goes like that. So I cut skew like that. And you can already see, if you turn it like this, we've got a triangle forming here. It's a little bit skewed, but there is my triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, let's see. What shape is this? Good, a triangle. What shape is this? A heart. Now, what shape is this? A square. Well done. Now you can do this at home for any of your projects. And look, we have all different kinds of shapes.